G'day everyone, it's a beautiful day today. Going for a little hike. I don't exactly know where, but I'm going to see where this road takes me. So this is one of my favourite walks I really like doing. Today it's just a stunning day. Why would you not want to be in the sun? Isn't it beautiful? Alas, the stairs. Like, what is this? There's literally no way you can avoid stairs. They will keep coming back to haunt you. But don't worry, this means that we can just eat more pasta at pranzo. Then after we can burn it off with a nice walk. Oh my gosh, what are we? Who can see the Villa Cimbrone? It's right up there. This walk leads right up to the entrance of Villa Cimbrone. But we're not gonna go there today. Walking up the track. Now this is fairly gradual. Here it says we came from Atrani, Amalfi. That way is to Minori. And if you're wanting to hike up to Ravello, that way. I've just seen the freakiest lizard, and I come from the land of freaky lizards. Does that not look like a mini crocodile? Oh my goodness. How freaky is that? Okay, this is the part where I tell you that I have never done this track ever. The answer to your question, the little one is Minori, and the bigger one, which has the largest beach on the Amalfi Coast, is Minori. How pretty is she? How beautiful this place is. Beautiful. We are in Ravello. That is the extent of my knowledge. There's a bus up ahead. Maybe I can hop on it. But it looks like an internal bus though, so. Minori, Ravello is that way. Oh, Minori is this way. So the bus driver, he just said, it's just a long way down. So we headed all the way up and now we're going all the way down. Woohoo! I'm so confused. Why do they have two signs? Why can't they just have one sign saying this way to Minori? It's really confusing. Anywho, I think either way I should just get to Minori somehow, but I might just go this way actually. No, so many stairs. Actually, I'm really scared. No, let's just go this way. So, I came from a land down under. Joking. Okay, I'll show you where I've come from. Building where it was like Mama Agatha's Bougainvillea house, and where I grabbed a coffee, I went there. I walked all the way along the road, but what I realised is I was at the lower level of Ravello, because up there is Villa Ruffolo. There, that's Palazzo Avino. No, we're going in the right direction. They used to offer wine to passing pilgrims. I don't know if we can go inside though. I'm certain it's locked. So, now we're walking down. We're never gonna get to Minori. Luckily, there has been a couple of signs that are pointing me in the right direction. I think I underestimated how long the trek would be. So if you want to do Kate's walk, more than welcome to. Why have a billboard when you can do it out of ceramics? Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. Minori! Finalmente! So when you go on a hike, be prepared. Be prepared in that you wear really good hiking shoes. So if you are in a problem, you just need to ask someone kindly. You also need to keep a lookout for signs, and you should always remember, like a lot of these seaside towns, to get to them you have to keep heading down. So our destination. Phew! Gosh, that was a long walk. It's a lot further than what I expected.